Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Lexus, and we are going to be installing the carbon fiber hood, and we are going to be doing the carbon fiber fenders. So this is going to be another edition of a two-part series. Sun's going down. I haven't hit the gym, so you already know I got to hit the gym first. And then we're going to come back and we're going to get into it. So, yeah. I'll talk a little bit more about the braces that I put in. Last time, the front strut brace in the rear. And, yeah, we'll go over that as well. I'm still driving it, but initial reactions and comments, good. Very good for the price, to make it, handle better. It's good. So now after that, we're gonna throw on the suspension, roll the fenders, etc., etc., and then from there we're gonna sand it. Still gotta put the limited slip in, but that's a later time. So right now we're gonna be doing the hood and the fenders. Once I put it on, I'm going to ceramic coat it like I did the Acura's hood and fenders, so that way when I park it outside, it'll be protected from the UV rays. So swap, wash, or clean, wash, whatever the fuck, and then ceramic coat. So should be easy. Like the hood in the Mercedes and the Acura, it's probably like 4 bolts. I'm gonna probably ask my brother to be like, help me out with it, because that might be heavy. I don't know. All right, well, I'll see you when I get back from the gym. It's fucking chest day. Alright guys, so we're back from the gym. We just finished doing a little bit of chest, a little dumbbell chest. And so we are going to be right here working on the Lexus. So we're gonna put in the hood. So first things first, I'm gonna make sure it's unlocked. I'm gonna pull this open. Before I even get started though, shit, I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go eat some spaghetti real quick, and then we'll come back. So front bumper is also off. We're gonna change that out. Nice, there she is. Okay, so let's see. If we look closely, I don't see any bolts holding it in on the actual bonnet, but I do see. Oh no, yeah, it's just under a cover. You can't really see it. Hold on. 1 second. Right here. Boom. All right, cool. Much better. Look at that. Cheeks. Anyways, so we're gonna go with the hood. We'll make this another 2-part series. One for the hood, one for the fenders. Fenders gonna take a little bit longer, just because there's a lot more bolts or whatever, but hood simple. The little release pin thing right here is this. You gotta take that off, and then right here there's a cover, and there are 2 bolts. So we're gonna do that in a bit. But first, like I said, I need food because I'm tired, but carbon fiber hood's going on, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it, so that'll also be another video showing you guys how I ceramic coat. That way it protects it from the UV, because it will be outside, unfortunately. This is the Mercedes spot. Yeah, so in the meantime, yeah, we'll be driving the Benz for a bit, maybe doing some more content, hopefully uploading more on the Instagram. So follow us, be sure to follow us, and I'll see you guys after I eat. All right guys, so we're back. I got the setup a little bit better this time so I can see. I have the ring light And I already took the liberty of taking out the tools and measuring it up. So to get the hood off, you will need a 12 mil, and there's 6 of them. So it's 3 on each side. So one here, 2 under this little plastic cover, and then the other 2 on the other, or the other 3 on the other side. So once you get that off, you just pop it off, put it aside, and then yeah, we're gonna swap in the other one. I did see something, however, that I may have to look into a little bit more. That's gonna be this right here, which is the nozzle, whatever line for the windshield wiper. And then I'm assuming I gotta take this out too as well, so I can attach it to the new hood. Let's see real quick if it's a 12. It is not a 12, so most likely it's gonna be a 10 mil. So 2 10 mils and 6 12 mils. So all right. So let me get to it, and then I'll show you guys afterwards. All right, see you guys in a sec. All right, guys, so the hood is now off, as you can see. So now we're gonna just move some stuff from over there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the hood up. I still gotta take off the other parts, so that way I can put this in, and then yeah, we'll see how it looks. And after that, I will clean it, ceramic coat it, and then on the next one I'm going to do the fenders as well. So all right, guys, stay tuned, see you guys in a bit. Gee, look at that thing, crazy. All right, guys, so the hood is officially on. Fitment is good, it lines up pretty well. Yeah, can't complain. The definitely looks a lot different. This hood is fairly light, and yeah, it's a pretty even, like a seal all the way around. This hood is very light, but also is a regular hood. So I mean, I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference. However, I will say the trunk is probably the fucking heaviest. So we're gonna get that done soon. But now that this is on, ooh, gotta check that light real quick. That's super close. Oh no, that's just the rubber. Okay, anyways, yeah, now that that's done, I'm gonna definitely give it a wash. I do want to put on the fenders first, and then wash it all. I got some tape bullshit residue that I gotta do. So what I plan to do is, once the fender's on, I'm gonna put the bumper back on, and then I'm gonna wash it, bring it back inside, do rubbing compound, and then seal it after, and then I'll be okay to take it back outside and park it outside. So other than that, that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Whew, thank you for joining me on another episode of Empty Garage Midnight Edition, because you know it's already like 11, almost 12, like 11:45 right now. So, but yeah, we're getting there step by step. I said the next one would be fenders. I'm pretty excited about that. And then what else? Basic maintenance. Basic maintenance as well, that I've already taken care of, just spark plugs and shit like that, you know. But yeah, piece by piece we're getting there, guys. So feel free to comment, subscribe, and follow the Instagram page for the background, beyond the, what is it? Behind the scenes. There you go. Behind the scenes. So all right, guys, well, hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe. Until next time. Peace.